I was talking to the JP down that side, and I just feel the place start to shake, and I just feel the whole of me start to shake. And I said to the JP, say, you feel the earthquake a while ago? And the place start to shake, and it just stop, and after that it just hear, and you just look, you see the whole building just tear down. And an empty building, part of it kind of crack. So it just demolish it down further. Regular. Worse if it's lunchtime, I'm going to buy lunch. No, nobody was in. One guy was going to walk here. Just as the thing dropped, he make a walkway through the bush there. So, well, when I feel it, I kind of hold my nerves. But after I realize it's really an earthquake now, I just keep calm. When I turn around and I hear the rumbling drop now, that's when I feel really frightened about it. And to buy lunch back and forward, especially because people from all the courts, the police and the lawyer, them will walk here so regular to buy lunch. The regular walkway for everybody.
This is one of the most serious ones. This is one of the most serious ones in my life over the earth, over the years. Never come here one like this before.